I've seen many abstracts where we look at novel diagnostic biomarkers, and we also see several abstracts where we look at where we see reports on liquid biopsies, and especially also on multiple AI-related topics also. So this is going to be very interesting for EAU26, I think. So in this field, we have seen several abstracts related to microbiome analysis. We've seen abstracts related to liquid biopsies also, and also, for instance, spatial proteomics analysis related to outcomes in patients receiving immunotherapy, for instance. So I think this is novel. We also see several abstracts related to AI and how we can use that on large data sets. So this is highly interesting. Yes, I think we see some abstracts that are really related to the microbiome and how this is actually reflecting treatment efficacy in randomized controlled trials. So I think this is really important. This is not biobank related studies, but really data that comes out of clinical trials. So I think this is really important. So I think the EAU Lab sessions are important to really bring together more basic science and translational research into clinical a clinical meeting like this. It's important because it really gives us a forum to discuss the novel biomarkers, the novel research that's going on in this field. So I think this is a unique platform to actually have a little bit more time to discuss these topics, and hopefully also bring together more basic scientists to discuss and interact with clinical researchers to actually obtain better communication, obtain better networks, and so on. So this is our hope for the EAU Lab platform. This year we'll actually repeat what we did last year, where we select some abstracts within the same topic that are related to, for instance, tumor heterogeneity, microenvironment, and then we'll have expanded talks on these abstracts, and then we'll have an expert also discussing the talks and discussing the field in general. So I think we'll continue with this and see how this turns out this year also. So we're not going to change anything for now. I think there's going to be a lot of interesting translational research presented in London EAU26. It's a unique forum if you're doing translational basic research also to actually get closer to clinicians, get closer to patients, get closer to how patients are actually being treated also. So I think if you are a basic scientist, a basic researcher, I think it's a good way of actually obtaining a better understanding of treatment algorithms, understanding on how these patients are actually affected potentially by the research that you're doing. So.